Why do you like vampires?
I don't know.
Is it because you have vampire teeth?
Yeah.
Show me your vampire teeth. Oh my goodness. What do you do with those vampire teeth?
Bite
Who do you bite?
vampires.
You bite other vampires? Why?
Because I like to.
You like to.
Yeah.
What does it do to them?
It,
You eat them? Why do you eat them?
I don't know.
Oh, no. Is this questioning getting too hard?
Is these vampires?
Yes, those are vampires.
Is a vampire?
Mm-hmm.
And he's a vampire?
Mm-hmm.
And he's a vampire?
Mm-hmm.
And he's a vampire?
Yes.
And these guys are vampires?
Yes.
Yay, that's all.
Yay!
That's all.
That's all.
From?
There are 2 of them.
Actually, what's these?
You want to watch them?
Yeah.
You don't think it'll be scary?
No.
No? Because you're a vampire, right?
Yeah.
Vampires don't get scared?
Yeah.
They do? What do they get scared of?
Of me.
Of you?
And Bubba.
And Bubba? Is Bubba a vampire?
No.
No? What is he?
He's just Bubba.
He's just Bubba.
Yeah.
But he can be pretty scary?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the vampires eat Bubba, and I eat them shoot them with my real gun at my house.
They eat Bubba and you shoot them with your real gun at your house?
Outside I do.
Outside you do? Oh, wow. And, uh-oh.
That's for my daggers.
You spilled your crackers. So what scares you? Does anything scare you?
No.
No? Wow. That's awesome.
I did up off of daggers.
Thank you so much.
Off of daggers.